So, yields open up the week nudging higher, but still hanging around that 380 level that has become so comfortable with over the last 4 to 5 sessions. Now, today, we didn't see a whole lot of market movement. Europe was closed. We had some modest data. We had durable goods this morning, which came in stronger than expected, but didn't give the market a whole lot to move off of. Big focus remains last Friday's Jackson Hole testimony from the Fed chair, where he did speak and talk about the Fed cutting rates as early as September. So that will be sort of the focus of the market. We saw that continue. Fed rate cut odds, which had already been shifting towards September, still seeing 100% chance they cut 25 basis points with about 30% odds that they cut 50. Obviously, data between then and now will be very crucial as to how the Fed moves. We have the PCE data later this week on Friday, and then next Friday, obviously, we have the non-farm payroll number. Both numbers will be important in how the Fed implements policy. But again, seeing 10-year note Treasury yields hover at 380, slightly higher today to start the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will see volatility nudged higher today to start the week. Given the fact that we saw the big moves that we've seen in this month, we saw trade all the way down to 366 at the beginning of August and rallied all the way north of 4%. Now we're kind of hovering in that wait-and-see period, in that wait-and-see mode, looking for clarity. The market opens up this week. Despite the fact we didn't see a big move in yields, we see volatility nudging higher to start the week, given the uncertainty, looking for more clarity. Lastly, let's talk about what we have tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday. We will get some housing data. We get consumer confidence, as well as the begin of the auction series this week, which will start with tomorrow's 2-year note auction, followed on Wednesday by a 5-year note and a 2-year note floating rate auction. And on Thursday, we will see a 7-year note auction. But again, we will kick that off tomorrow with a $69 billion 2-year auction to start the week. And then Friday, obviously, the highlight number of the week will be the Fed's preferred inflation gauge in the PCE data. So opening up the week, we see yields kind of hovering, waiting for that next catalyst event or piece of the puzzle, hovering at 380 and closing just above ahead of tomorrow's housing, consumer confidence, and 2-year note auction.